Hello and welcome to this Make Explore Art tutorial. Now today we're going to make a rainbow pom-pom wreath. So what you'll need is all of your pom-poms that you've made so far, a piece of wool from each of the colour plus one extra for hanging, and a piece of cardboard at least 25 by 25 centimetres. So start by folding that cardboard in half and draw a semicircle, then an inner semicircle. So what we're making with this is a circular piece of cardboard for which you can attach your pom-poms to in order to make your wreath. Now use some scissors to cut the semicircle and then cut the inner semicircle as well so that you have a circle with a hole in the middle. Why not subscribe to my channel, Make Explore Art, for more tips, tricks and tutorials, art lessons, craft projects, and a range of things to spark your creativity. So, once you've cut this cardboard circle, you can now attach each of your pom-poms to this ring. Don't worry how many or how little you have, it's up to you what colours you use as well. So each one just needs the same colour piece of wool to attach it to the piece of cardboard. Make sure you tie it in a nice knot so that it's secure and that it won't come off. If you've used the coloured pom-poms that I've used, then you'll create a rainbow and also a colour wheel with your primary and secondary colours all in the right places. And to finish off your wreath, cut off all the loose ends. Finally, if you want to hang up your wreath, just simply cut another length of wool, tie it in a knot and then loop it through, and you can hang up your wreath on a door or even on your tree. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.